Use the Grades and Attendance page to view Catherine's grades and attendance for the current term. On the left side, Kelly can see Catherine's attendance record for last week and this week. Apple Grove High has 2 rotation days in its schedule, so the dot in some of the attendance cells means that the class did not meet that day. A blank attendance cell means that Catherine was present. When Catherine is absent or tardy to a class, the grid displays an attendance code, such as A or T. Kelly can refer to the legend at the bottom of the page to see what the codes mean. To see all of Catherine's absences or tardies in a single class during the current term, click a value in the Absences or Tardies columns. The Dates of Attendance page displays the date Catherine missed World History class. To view attendance information for all of Catherine's classes, return to the Grades and Attendance page. Then click a number in the Attendance Totals row. To see the dates Catherine was absent in all of her classes so far this year, click the Attendance Totals value in the Absences column. The page lists the total absences by date that Catherine has accumulated in each class. Kelly is happy that she'll be able to track her kids' attendance through the portal, but she is concerned about some of Catherine's grades. Return to the Grades and Attendance page so she can take a look. The page displays Catherine's final letter grades, percentages, and citizenship grades for each class. Kelly can use the grade and percentage links to see more information. Catherine got a D in World History in Quarter 1. Click 64 so Kelly can see which assignments Catherine had trouble with. On the Class Score Detail page, Kelly can see information about the course, the teacher's professional experience, and class policies, if the teacher included them. Information about the class assignments is at the bottom of the page. Kelly can see due dates, assignment names, and point values for assignments. It looks like Catherine had trouble with a homework assignment and a quiz. Her teacher included more information about the homework assignment, which is why its name is a link. Let's take a look. The assignment description page describes what work Catherine was supposed to complete. Notice that the teacher also included a link to a website. Now that Kelly knows more about the assignment, she can speak with Catherine to find out why she didn't earn a higher score and help her figure out what to do to improve her scores in the future. Kelly understands how to analyze her daughter's grades now, but she's curious about her son's grades. She knows Washington Elementary switched to standards-based grading this year and wants to know if his grades will look different from the girls' grades. Return to the Grades and Attendance page. Then select Blake. You tell Kelly that the grades at Blake's school are based on whether or not students have mastered specific skills, or standards, rather than on how they do from one assignment to another. Blake's standards grades reflect the grading system his elementary school uses. Instead of traditional letter grades like A, B, and C, Kelly sees standards final grades like O for outstanding and NI for needs improvement. To view Blake's individual standard scores, click the Standards Grades tab. The Standards Grades page displays the first grade standards and Blake's standards scores by term. To score individual standards, first grade teachers at Washington Elementary use a plus-minus grade scale. To see the grade scale details, click the name of a standard. Looking at the grade scale details, Kelly sees that a plus means that Blake has mastered the standard, while a minus means he has not. Now that Kelly knows how to view her children's current grades, show her how to view their grades and attendance histories. Click Next below to learn how to view students' historical grades and attendance in the Parent Portal. First, look at Catherine's grade history. Click Catherine, then click Grade History. The Grade History page shows Catherine's historical or stored grades for the previous terms. Historical grades are the same as what was printed on report cards. Even though these values apply to previous terms, you can view assignment information and teacher comments. Click a percentage for a specific assignment to open the Class Score Detail page. Now, show Kelly how to view her daughter's attendance record for previous weeks. Click Attendance History. The Meeting Attendance History page shows detailed attendance information for the entire term. You explain to Kelly that when she wants to view her kids' attendance for more than the last 2 weeks, she should use this page. The column on the left contains the names of the courses Catherine is enrolled in. The header at the top contains the dates by week. Absences, tardies, and other codes are shown in the attendance cells by period. You've shown Kelly how to view her kids' current and historical grades and attendance. Now it's your turn to look up a student's assignment details for a previous term. Scroll down to continue. With the parent portal training complete, Kelly feels more confident about using computers and about monitoring how her kids are doing in school. With the parent portal, she can stay in contact with her kids' teachers, monitor their academic progress, help them register for classes, and keep track of school events all in one place using one username and password.